What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Pro J James here, and you guys are warmly welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna be unboxing a mini sewing machine. As you can see here, I have it on my hand. It's a very mini, let's say small device, a small portable sewing machine. Sorry guys, my camera may be a little shaky or losing focus and the rest of them, but please forgive me for that. Okay guys, so this is a really small device. As you can see, it's not much of a heavy device. What I have in my hand here, it's really small, and well, it is an electric device as well. It's an electric device which uses both AC and DC current, alternate current and direct current adapter. Okay, so guys, this device comes with a lot of features, a lot of external parts and the rest of them. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you are new to this channel, do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Hit that like button once you watch this video, and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon as well, and be rest assured that you get every of my videos. So guys, let's get into the unboxing. Okay guys, so here we are for the unboxing. So this is really wrapped up, as you can see, with this leather material, but these guys did not really try when it comes to securing the package. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be a long job. Really long job. Okay, that's for that. Oh, so here we are. This is my favorite layer in everything. I'm trying to unbox or something like that. It's always my favorite thing. I know, guys. We're gonna do something in a minute. Okay. Who else enjoys the sound of these guys? Who else? Okay, guys. Let's go straight to our unboxing. And here we are, the mini sewing machine. So I guess we actually get what we expect to see. So on top of the box, okay, this is the box, a picture of the sewing machine, mini sewing machine. At the side, you will see some features written there. At the other side, some things there. At the other side, some information is there as well. So on top, you can see some things like comes pre-threaded and ready to use, sews in durable chain lock stitch, AC/DC operation, foot pedal for easy control, two-step speed operation, and thread cutter built-in lights. Okay, so that's it for. So now let's see what we have inside the box itself. And here we have beautiful sewing machine. Okay, so in the box, as you can see, we have the sewing materials, those threading materials, as you can see them properly. In the box too, you can see the user manual, the button, bobbin placement, threading main units. Okay, different using user manual, yeah, for using this device. Oh, and that's really cool, guys. That's really cool. Okay, so this is the connection. This is the plug, and I call it the plug, or I call it the charger. Yeah, let's call it the charger, though I think it's electrical. I don't know if it's rechargeable. I don't know if it's rechargeable. So this is it. And we have nothing here. We have nothing here. So this, I think this is the pedal. Yes, this is the electrical pedal. Wow, looks like a sustain pad for a keyboard. Okay guys, so these are what we have here. And here we have a sewing machine. Here we have the sewing machine. So it has a lot of features. It's very beautiful sewing machine. So I'll go ahead to open up this later. I wish there was a way I can open it without destroying it completely. Okay. And here we go. So this is it. There we go. Our sewing machine. So it is pre-threaded already, just as I said. It came pre-threaded. Different buttons, as you can see from here. This looks really very cool. Just like a real sewing machine, you can see. I would like to plug it in and test it out. Let's do that real quick. And guys, we finally plugged it in. So guys, okay, so let's plug this guy in and see how it works. So here I think is this okay? Okay, that's the thread cutter. Oh, okay, that's the thread cutter. I think here we have the lights. They called it the lights. Guys, that was really very scary. As you can see, that's how our guy works. You can see how good it is. Wow. Okay, this is the light. This should be the lights. I think, how do I turn this on? Wow. So guys, you can see the lights for using the machine, and there is no light. So guys, that's all for it. You can set up your thread here. Place this down as a normal. So okay, that's a lot. This is 2 different speeds. I think it has 2 different speeds. This should be the pedal. I should connect the pedal, I think, and I press it. You can see what's happening. When I press the pedal, it's really trying to show something. Okay, so this is actually happening. Okay, I think because this is stiff here or something. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. So guys, thank you guys for watching. That video. It stiffened up because the thread got stuck at some parts here. I just looked at it. So I can lose that later. After loosening some parts, lose that and work with our machine, with our new electrical sewing machine. So I forgot to say, it also has a part for your batteries. You can put your finger batteries here, about four of them. So you can put your 4 finger batteries here and use it without electricity. That's without plugging it directly to your socket or to your plug. That's another way you can use it. So guys, that's all for this wonderful unboxing video. This should be my first unboxing video, and I'll ensure that I'll try my best to bring in more unboxing videos. Thank you guys once again for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Click that subscribe link, click that like button and that bell icon to help to notify you when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Stay safe.